There's the rack. Got it all on there. It's actually on there. Sing around. Move the whole damn car. But, so we got the tires sorted out, how we're going to get those down there. Shit's painted. Shit's resealed. Everything in the front's tight. Door handle on the other side works. And the window works. But I got 2 things left to do. Which, it's been a few days. Today is Tuesday? I think. Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. So I leave Friday morning. And I got shit to do tomorrow. So I ain't gonna be working on the car tomorrow. But all that I have left to do, I gotta take this panel back off. Because I didn't tape the little thing down that I said I was gonna tape down for the door handle. Because I'm dumb. So take this off, tape the door handle, make sure there's nothing else. Which there's something, clearly something else touching that. So figure that out. But I'm also driving 8 hours, and the speakers in here are fucking dog shit. So I have 2 E90 speakers in the back, and that's pretty much all you can hear. There's speakers in the footwells that you can hear, but Draven grabbed me some speakers out of the junkyard the other day, so I'm about to replace these ones and see how it goes. And I also got my knee tattooed, finished anyways, and my knee fucking hates Sanoderm, dude. This thing's so angry right now, I gotta dry heal it. But basically, that's all I'm doing today, is just make sure the door don't rattle too much, and then probably packing up tools, getting the tires on the roof, getting everything strapped down and loaded, and then I'm gonna do the speakers before that. But then yeah, load everything up. It's got a full tank of gas right now, I think. Wait for the gauge to do its little sweep thing. Yeah, full tank of gas. So we're good on that. And yeah, so we'll get into this. I'm gonna do the speakers first, just because it's like a satisfying thing and I really want to do it. So I'm gonna yank these floor mats out. And they're gross. Should probably vacuum the car out, but it don't matter. And then yeah, I'll show you the speakers, and I'm gonna do a little time lapse guy and get these things in. I'm also not wearing a shirt because it's one of the last days that it's gonna be like 70 something out, so I'm trying to get some sun so I don't look too white. But I'm white. Alright. Alright. These are the ones. I don't know. They're better than ones that don't work, so we're just gonna slap them in there. Probably gonna end up self-tapping them in, because fuck it. And then hopefully they're good. I'm not gonna do the time lapse just because it's in an awkward spot. Like, I don't think you want to see me, my long ass, just like fiddling around down there. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'll do a time lapse for taking the panel off and whatever. Alright, change of plans. So this is a speaker out of the front. You can see it's fucked up. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was. That's what she said. And the ones that I have in the back are bigger than the ones that I have for the front. So like the ones that I had that I was gonna put in the front, obviously these little guys, they don't exactly line up. And the fronts are 4-bolt. So the ones I had in the back, all ghetto and shitty, don't exactly fit back there. They're kind of too big. They keep like wanting to magnetize to the thing. So I think I'm going to take those ones, put them up in the front, and then these ones already test fitted the one side. They just drop into the thing. So I'm going to put these ones in the back, put the other ones in the front, and throw these ones in the trash because they're fucking shot. The only problem is the E90 speakers that I had in the back. They're supposed to have a plug. I thought I took the plug. I guess I didn't. So I just had the wires like looped through them and taped on there, and it's not good. So I'm gonna get some wire. I think I have some wire actually, but they're gonna get soldered in the front, and then the backs are gonna get connectors again, because these ones still have slots for connectors on this side, but the ones I'm putting in the front now don't, so they're gonna get soldered and then put in, and then I can fit them in the back, and then I'll have 4 speakers again instead of this wonky ass Nokia bullshit. So I'm gonna go to somewhere and buy some stuff for this. So I'll be back. Alright, so I decided to take a different approach as far as how I was putting the speakers in. So I got this one out here. I got a little stuff set up. So because I don't have the connectors for this, I'm just going to solder to here this wire, and then I'll be able to put the wires on with the other ones. And then I'm taking the clips that were like the plugs that are on the front part, and I'm going to put them on the back so I can just plug the back speakers in. So I only have to solder the 2 speakers. I'm just doing it out of the car because I don't know why I thought doing it in the car was smart, but probably catch my fucking car on fire. So we're doing that. I'm going to slap them in the car. So yeah. Alright. Got it all on there. I don't look the best, but it don't matter. It's on there. So whatever. I'm gonna split these, strip them, and split and strip the ones in the car so I can get the connectors off of them, and then just tie them together and put them in. Okay, 3rd or 4th change of plans. Draven came home and was like, bro, I got speakers that'll fit in the front, so I put those in here. Put the ones in the back. Everything's in. And I also did something small that's dumb that most people will probably be like, nobody cares. But I don't have any interior lights. There's no headliner. I don't have anything. So I was at Home Depot and I found this little light thing. And it's like, I put it right, you can't even see it right now, but I put it right in the front and I can flip it on. And it's bright as hell, dude. And it comes off of there. So I can be like, oh, something's broke. And I can put that bitch back. If I know how to put it back. Jesus, I'm retarded. There we go. And then it also changes like the kind of light, which is pretty fucking sick. So now I'm gonna see how all these speakers work, and then load tires on the roof, strap them bitches down, go through my tools, see what I have, see what I need, because some of my stuff's still at Firestone and they shit can my ass. It's because I told HR to go fuck themselves because they didn't want to pay me my money because they owed me 2 weeks worth of checks. So, pussy, I don't give a fuck. But yeah, I'm gonna load my shit up, go through my tools, whatever I gotta grab, I'm gonna go get tomorrow for my box because it's still there. And yeah, this also has a motion sensor thing in here too, so I could use it like a security thing, where I just leave it on the auto setting, and if my door is open or if there's any movement, it'll turn on, which is cool. But like, whatever. All right. So, 6 o'clock in the morning, Friday. Car has way too much shit in it. Lowered the fuck down. But, look at the roof. You can't see it, it's dark. Tire, 4 tires, my jack, my tools, little crate of extra spare parts, spare diff, my clothes, helmet, and about to go pick up James, and then we're gonna start this 8-hour drive down in Knoxville. So we'll see how much I film as I'm going, but right now might just be a time lapse. we're in Tennessee. We're at Mike's work. My roof rack broke 5 minutes into the drive. Pulled it off, had Austin come get it. And then I almost crashed the car because I fell asleep in the left lane, woke up in the right lane. Saw some cool shit. And now we're here. Been here for a few hours, hanging out with everybody. Come to the shop where Mike works. European Auto something. Got some cool ass fucking cars in here. And Mike's cars here. So we're gonna walk through the two that are in here, Mike's and the Ferrari. And my car's in here. So must mean I'm important. But yeah, tomorrow 8 a.m. is the track, so we're gonna go to the bar tonight, and then go to the track tomorrow, and then probably Sunday going to Tail of the Dragon. So yeah, I'm gonna walk over there now.
The gang has arrived. Well, the diff is in, boss. Ready to drift tomorrow, cousin. Ah!
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Fuck, put them on there for me, boss. Mike's car, dude. It's all nice and shit in here. I just a little roof rack, so we put his bike on there. We got this car that's worth more than anything I've ever even thought about owning. It's a $580,000 car. I don't even know which Ferrari it is. I don't even want to touch nothing. My arm's not even touching the door. This shit's fucking hot.
Dude, that shit looks so fun. This looks so much cooler on your car. It's so fucking stupid. That looks sick, dude. Yes!
That looks good as fuck.
Be rocking the shop, you ain't even work at it, dude.
Hey, it'd be like that. They let me work on my car here.
It looks better than my car. This shit's white, hot boy.
It's dirty as fuck right now. Look at this.
Are you vlogging, bro?
Yeah.
So, this guy just the horse gang. This guy just drove fucking. Welcome to the horse gang's YouTube channel. Just drove 7.5 hours in his car because he's a cool guy and he's gonna drift tomorrow because he's a cool guy. And it's gonna go good, dude.
You're fucking better. I'm gonna sell this. No, I'm just kidding. Wait, how far are you spaced from the rivets?
Centered on your
yeah. Okay. All right.
bolts, so I hope your bolts are even.
The middle one is because I marked it off of this spot. So I think. Yeah. Yeah, I did that. The fucking roof rack broke. Dented this. Fucking broke this. There's a lot less shit in here now.
Dude, that looks so good.
Damn.
Car looks fucking hard. 2 stickers.
I gotta pull this bitch over there and spray it off. Should let me spray it off before you be taking pictures.
Alright, if you're gonna back out right now and I'm gonna pull out and shut all these lights off, and then you just spray it off real quick. Just pull out in front of the door actually.
Yeah, I don't need to go in the bay.
Yeah. James?
No, see, you had it right the first time. That's it. That's it, bro. Go to sleep.
Only thing I dream about, vivid like a movie. You could say I'm all about getting
fine.
Is the plane that thing just shot out?
Still at fucking 50. Oh my god, it's too much.
What are you doing?
I need like 45.
45. Yeah, bro, 69.
God, it's still
Nothing.
50 plus.
Fucking delaminated the tires. The full service.
My boy! You're lucky that tire didn't blow.
Yo, flip that bitch back over.
My boy! What do I?
Fucking rotate them, send it.
Well, I can put those back up front and then put the ones I just grabbed from the shop in the back.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you're eating your fucking tire?
Whoopsie daisy. I'm gonna fuck some shit up on that one.
I'll be like that.
Well, I had Alex swap the wheels for me, and I didn't tell him that the wheels are different sizes, and I've been rubbing on the inside of my
Yeah.
shock. It's rubbing everything. You almost rubbed it with your fucking wire harness. Oh. It's not that bad.
Ain't that bad.
Yeah, next time, go step back.
Rip. Cookies. So my day's over. C ended, you know, because I suck. But Mike fucked his car up. He put the wrong wheels on the front, or had his boy put the wrong wheels on the front because he was trying to flip-flop them. And you saw he not very good. But he went back out there for a while and, yeah, backed the car up. Leaving the burners on, so I only got a couple laps out of the brand new tires. And they're fine for right now. I'll swap them later at the shop. Tired as fuck, hungry as fuck. So I'm gonna sit here until everybody else is ready to leave. And then I'm gonna go hopefully get some food, and then we're gonna go to a bar or something. I don't know. Whatever they were talking about. Alright, so back from the event. Bumper's obviously done. I didn't get as much seat time as I wanted to, but I got to drive. It was fun. I'm super fucking tired. New problem. I'm 8 hours from home. My motor is ticking. I don't know what it's from, but there's a tick now, and it didn't happen until I was running, whatever, parked it cooled off, I started again, now it's doing the thing. So put some Lucas in that bitch, and then tomorrow I'm gonna take it to the shop and swap the spark plugs. Hopefully it's just a spark knock type of deal situation. If not, hope it makes it home. If it doesn't, I'm gonna figure out a trailer. We're gonna get it home one way or fucking other. But yeah, look at the bumper. Happens. I'm not worried about the bumper. I'm worried about the motor. That being said, if it does make it home, I have three options. I can drive this bitch till it blows up, then worry about the swap. I can get another M50 that's just like no accessories, plain long block, and fucking put that bitch together, put it in there. Or I can take it home, fucking park it in the street, and get all this shit together for the V8. The V8 would be cool, but like I said, I got fired. I don't have a job, so I don't really know what I want to do. Guess we'll figure it out. We're supposed to go to the Tail of the Dragon tomorrow, which I have never driven, and now I don't want to take my car. I mean, if I do the spark plugs and the noise stops, fucking go, no problem. If I don't, or if it doesn't, like I'm gonna do the spark plugs, start it, see if it's good. If it doesn't, I'm swapping the diff, I'm packing the car up, I'm parking it right fucking here until I go to leave, which will probably be Monday. Today's Saturday. And cross my fingers, hope this bitch makes it home. But we'll see. Yeah, I mean, literally the only damage from the event is like I scraped this up a bit, whatever. This got cracked, whatever. The other side was already cracked, and the bumper. So physical damage, she's fucking good. I had the burners on. I was just gonna go home, but Mike flip-flopped his wheels back around, went back out, burned them out so they were fucking cords, and then bought new tires from the track, which like this isn't on the track or anything, but bought new tires from the dudes that were running the shit at the track, and he had run flats on his car, and the machine wasn't strong enough to take them off. So he's just like, fucking give me my money back, and I gave him mine so he could like get home and drive around, which they're unbalanced. So hope he has fun on the highway, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and shower because I'm at his house and they're all at the shop. But I'm gonna go shower and take a nap, and then we're gonna go get fucking drunk. It's collapsing on you?
No, I didn't feel like that, bro.
Here, wait. Alright, no, I got my foot underneath the wheel.
My dog!
Go! Go! It's rolling up over my feet, bro. Where you going?
Alex? Alex! Put him in a fucking arm hold!
He's trying. Alright. It is now Monday. I was super worried about my car and shit. I let it sit. I didn't drive it at all yesterday. Well, not yesterday. I did yesterday. I brought it home after the event, put it here, hadn't touched it. Drove it yesterday morning, started it, and it was perfectly fine. The tick went away. I think the oil just got too hot, but she's good now. I gotta go get the bumper put back on. Well, go put it back on, half-assed, enough to not get pulled over. And then swap the diff out, which I'm gonna end up doing in the driveway of the shop because I don't wanna be in the shop and in their way. And yeah, we all got a little messed up. Tyler had to go to the hospital because he hurt his knee, so I just kind of hung out with him all day yesterday. We didn't really do much. So, no tail, no Gatlinburg, but whatever. It's always next time. So I'm about to drive this bitch over and swap my diff out in the parking lot. So. Hopefully nobody pops up on this elevator, but we stayed an extra day. Went to the skate park last night, and I forgot that I never put my front bumper on. But I think we're gonna have to do that. I'm not trying to get pulled over, so I'm going down in the car right now, and then we're gonna get James loaded up and get the fuck out of here. This thing makes it look so fucking hit. Oh, we stopped at Buc-ee's. Fucking hate it here, dude. Oh my god. I got that whole bitch. Alright, it's next day. Made it home. That last clip, as soon as we got into Michigan, we hit like a washboard section on 75, and the back bumper came off and almost got run over by a semi-truck. So I had to run out into traffic and grab it, and I had James get in the car and I handed him the bumper so he could ride up to the Michigan Welcome Center and put that bitch back on. So it's on right now, but obviously front bumper's still fucked. But yeah, that was the trip. It was fun. I think I'm definitely going to either be selling the style ups because people want those more than the ESRs and the E90, or selling the ESRs and the E90 and putting the style ups in the E90, which I think that's a better option because, like, I broke my kit, right? Whatever. Like, it cracked from turning and hitting bumps, and I know my front suspension is kind of soft right now because I forgot to stiffen the dampening up when I got to the track, but that's a 215 3518. 215 is like bigger than I usually run because it's usually a 205, but I don't have shit for grip in the front. And if this car is actually going to function properly, like it was getting it on the track, but it should have been better. I need some beefier tires. So I think I'm going to step back down on these and go to 17s, because I mean, those wheels that I was on were 17s. My burners are 17s. I can get 215/45s all day, super common size. I have these 18s. I don't even know what the fuck those are down there. I think those are 17s. I have these 18s. Those 18s. Oh, my other 17s are in the back. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 18s. I have 10. I actually have 10. But the tires on 17s are cheaper. It don't look bad on 17s. And if anybody wants to come through and pick up some 18s, I have 2 of these. I have 4 of those, but they're not in the best shape. And then, what the hell were the other ones? Oh, the other ones are like on Ashley's car, which I think, no, they're under there. I'm not digging them out. But I think I'm just gonna step back to 17s and run those because it's cheaper and I'm poor. And if I get 17 by 9s or 9.5s, I think 9.5s, because those are 9.5s. If I get 17 by 9.5s, I run a slight spacer, because the front, like these are 5 by 114. They're an adapter on front and rear. The rear is 3/4 inch and the front is 1.25 inch, I think. Or no, that's backwards. Front's 1/4 inch, rear's 1.25 inch. Or 3/4, whatever, you know what I'm fucking saying. Anyways, if I do that, I can run 235/40s and get grip in the front. Because after, you know, I was out there and trying, as soon as I would get it, like if I wasn't clutch kicking the fuck out of this thing, it would push the front. So if I like entered and it wasn't fully out there enough, I'd have to clutch kick like twice to get it to swing out so it actually drive, as opposed to just pushing the front and trying to do a burnout. I mean, I don't know. If I get a good price on those, because I know everybody makes fun of me because I'm on reps, but have fun finding a set of those. If I get a good price on those, I'll sell them. If I get a decent price on the ESRs, they're fucking gone. I have 6 of those. One of them needs to be repaired, like it's fucked, but there's still a set, you know, a set and a fucking spare. So, whatever. It's probably going to be a long video, but thanks for watching. Sorry some of the clips are vertical. I'm about to pull the E90 up and work on that, so that'll be the next video. So I got to edit a bunch of shit, but whatever. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.